Hi everyone, thanks for joining again. I tried this something amazing which I haven't done before. Instead of just using the Figma design and the prototype, I use this Figma MCP and the cursor to bring something to the life. The reason behind is it was having a more talk over there on the internet, and also many designers were using it, and also the companies also starting to using this. And honestly, it changed how I think about the collaborations, and I wasn't even thinking to share it publicly. But this experiment, it was it about the myself, but it turned out to be most amazing technique every designer should know. So this wasn't about the any of the client or a company. I was just trying to do it by myself. It's just a personal test. I had this very rough idea, and I was trying to do it on the Figma itself, and I want to see that how I could make it interactive without using code, by using MCP Figma and then connecting with the cursor. So connecting with the cursor, it is very amazing. Go to Figma community blog. You will find it easier way to follow it, to set it up. It is not about any rocket science, and that's when the Figma MCP I connected with, and it is very built an early prototype about the cursor. So here what I did this on the Figma itself, the design, and then I exported it on the Figma MCP. I'm having to switch it to the Figma devs so you guys can know. I have enabled it over here. So when you are setting it up, it will ask you whether you want it to enable, and everything it will be done from here itself. Just you need to follow the steps on the Figma blog community. Um, and that moment I realized how it is easier to translate any design, which you are intending to directly making it a prototype without even a code. So here's what I clicked for me. It's that about the rapid prototyping. It's about the communications. I want to show also the cursor, my cursor screen. Here is my cursor screen. This isn't just about the all about the communications. Also, it's also about the collaborations with the PM, developer, and also the stakeholders. They can see how it behaves, and also when you're involving at the early stage to the dev team, so they can also understand the codes and the feasibilities. It also removes the gap in the communications, and when you are also sharing the presentations with to the stakeholders, they can also see what it is meant to be about the application. And constant back and forth, when we say that, oh, it's not behaving like in my design or something, this live AI generating prototype is speaks the same language as everyone in the product cycle. So here is the code on the right hand side. I have prompt to try make it more close to the design, and this is the design, which is still it's a rough, but I'm trying to show it over here with you guys. I haven't seen and even shared with any of my PMs and with the engineers. It was just one of my trying to try something new and using this, and I see the powerful this could be with the stakeholders when you're sharing with. It's just building a bridge, the invisible gap about the communications with the design, product, and the development team, and you can finally see the thing in the real time also. So this is what about I wanted to say. It's just a new workflow. It's a new where you can say the mindset for the designers. AI tools not replacing any of the designers. It's just helping to communicate and going close towards the product team, stakeholders, and the engineering team. And that's kind of progress that's getting us close to the engineers, closer to the PMs, closer to the stakeholders, and shipping the great products. And I will definitely exploring this and communicating with my PMs and engineers in the future. Maybe next time I will be bringing any of the engineer on this, and I will see how that person is trying this whole application by using this code, and we'll see how it works, and I will share that with you also. That's all about it. I hope you guys liked it, and see you guys on the next video. Till then, have a nice time, have a nice week, take care, peace.